Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, air conditioning, anti-theft security system, cruise control, FWD, daytime running lamps, rear view camera, steering wheel controls. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.